Welcome to the continuation of the Sprinter camper van conversion. In this part, I will be repairing damage to the left side of the bodywork. I decided to start with this simpler side to productively fill the time while waiting for the rest of the interior conversion parts to arrive. At the same time, I want to show you that you can repair a car with a similar damage yourself at home and for a fraction of the cost of a professional repair shop. To straighten out the dented sheet metal, I use this corrugated bodywork wire, which comes in a kit with a pulling hook. If you don't have a professional spot welder at home, don't worry, the wire can easily be spot welded to the metal using a standard welder. For continuously checking the surface flatness, a simple aluminum L-profile works perfectly well. Before applying the body filler, I sanded the rear section of the rocker panel using an orbital sander with a 120 grit sandpaper. I applied a green fiberglass reinforced filler as the first layer. While the filler was curing, I didn't waste any time and pulled out the dent in the middle section of the rocker panel. I use this 70 by 400 mm paint planer to sand the body filler. For a rough comparison to the basic shape, I choose sandpaper with a grain size of 120, and for the final adjustment, a finer 240. I then matted the surrounding sheet metal outside the putted areas, the folds and the lower part of the threshold with a grey sanding fleece. Thanks to this, the paint won't peel even in place where I couldn't reach with the plane. I applied a polyester spray sealer as the first spray coat. After it dried, I lightly sprayed with black matte spray paint. It's a great control layer that will reveal any remaining unevenness when sanding. Then sanded this layer of spray putty with a 240 grit sandpaper and then 320 grit. The surface was then prepared in this way, and a second layer of white acrylic filler was applied. I sprayed it on both parts of the threshold along the entire length to make the surface uniform. After it dried, I sanded the filler under water with a P800 grit sandpaper. Before the final paint job, I cleaned the surface and sprayed over paintable underbody protection on the lower part of the sill. Then all that was left was to tape everything and apply the third final layer. This is an acrylic 2-component paint with the Mercedes code 9147. After the final adjustment of the site, one of the most important steps of the entire repair came: thorough waxing of the inside of the sill, which will prevent future corrosion of the cavities. If you liked the video and don't want to miss the continuation of this rebuild, click subscribe.